Hello guys, welcome back to my how to channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create unlimited Gmail account without phone number. So first, open up your browser and search for Google Cloud Skills Boost. Next to this, click on the top result and land on the home page here. You need to get into the procedure. To do this, you just have to sign in with your Gmail account and log in with your suitable Gmail account by clicking on the continue option. Once you are in, then accept the terms and conditions and verify you're not a robot. To get started, as you have completely entered into the platform, then head over to the menu bar and select the Explore option. Now you are required to scroll down the page until you find a drop down with the format name and then tap to Lab option to select it by refreshing or reloading the page and scrolling it a little down. You need to click on the Tour of Google Cloud Sustainability option. Once it's open, then we will see this Start Lab option on the top left side along with the timer. So as you will click on the Start Lab option, you will get the credentials like username, password, and project ID. This means here your account has been created without requiring the phone number. To test it out, we'll go to another tab and we'll sign in. And at last, we'll click on the I understand option and the OK button. Here, you can see that your Gmail account has been created instantly with a username and password and without a phone number. Yes, you heard that right. There isn't any requirement for phone number verification, even if you repeat the same procedure. Not only this, but you are allowed to repeat this process as many times as you want to create unlimited Gmail accounts. Therefore, when you are required to bypass phone number verification, this method is your go-to process. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my how to channel.